Exothermic and endothermic reactions are they're really exciting reactions, I suppose, to look at. Basically, exothermic, so the word exo means to exit or to leave, and thermic is heat. So exothermic are reactions where heat is released, and endo means within, and thermic again is heat. So endothermic reactions are reactions where heat is taken in. So endothermic reactions, if you feel them, they get colder, and exothermic reactions, heat goes out, they actually get warmer. So this little diagram down here explains that a little bit. All chemical reactions need a little bit of what's called an activation energy. So if you're going to burn a fire, then you actually have to light a match first and give the wood a little bit of a start, give it a little bit of heat to start that reaction happening. But then if this was a combustion reaction, an exothermic reaction, and the amount of energy at the end in the atoms would be less. But really what this means is that all of this energy here, so this is a picture of energy, all of this energy in an exothermic reaction would be released. And as a result, an exothermic reaction feels hot. This is as opposed to an endothermic reaction. So again, there's a little bit of activation energy required, but then for those products to kind of exist, all of this energy has to be absorbed. So this is the end point of this reaction, and this was the start point. So the end point needs to have more energy. And so in fact, for that reaction to occur, energy is absorbed, and endothermic reactions feel cold because they draw energy from their surroundings, and that, if you're holding them, that might be you. It might draw heat from you, and therefore it would feel cold. So examples of some exothermic reactions here is an explosion. So this is an exothermic reaction. It's releasing heat, or just fire is a classic example of an exothermic reaction. And an endothermic reaction, so ones that get cold, an example of that is an instant ice pack. If you've ever had an instant ice pack, you break it. What you do when you break it, you snap it, is you snap a bit of plastic in the middle, which is holding two chemicals apart. Break the plastic, they mix together, those chemicals. Then an endothermic chemical reaction happens, which absorbs heat from the environment and therefore makes things cold. So exothermic reactions are ones which feel warm. Endothermic reactions are ones which feel cold.